8 years ago, when my husband David, our children, and I first shared a day at our farm with children and families from a kid again, we could never have possibly imagined sharing this day with you today. Through your passion, courage, commitment, and boundlessly giving hearts, a simple hayride and marshmallow roast have become Flying Horse Farms. There are no words that can begin to thank you adequately. As we look around and see so many people who have been part of making this dream a reality, please know that our thanks to you are written on our hearts. You have helped us give life, liberation, love, and laughter to our campers and their families. All of you will always be a part of Flying Horse Farms. Thank you for coming together today to celebrate this milestone for Flying Horse Farms. We are honored to be part of this special place. Camp is officially open.